skating today for his brother Danny. He continues to be the all-time top fundraiser. Please give it up for number 63, Joey Campagna. Skating for his 7-year-old brother Liam, who has Down syndrome and just finished 3.5 years of treatment for leukemia. Liam loves the Bruins. It's number 617, Nick Cabana. She's an assistant coach in Auburn and is skating for her aunt who has special needs, number 4, Allison Dane. A veteran on our team is skating for his niece, Amanda Colleen Russo, number 27, Sean Fitzpatrick. The MDSC All-Stars Hockey Game Chair, Captain skating for his daughter, Marie. Please welcome number 6, Charlie Gadwa. He's excited to play for a good cause to help all his friends and other people with Down syndrome. He loves playing with Bob Sweeney, number 88, Preston Hall. He's excited to be skating for a great cause, number 12, Logan Hill. A long-term veteran skating for his son James. Today he's injured and he's our guest coach. Please welcome number 16, Jamie Hicklin. Playing for his 4-year-old son Ethan, who inspires everybody he meets, number 2, Chris Kearney. Skating for his sister Amanda, number 24, Alex Kelleher. He's out for today's game, but he's a long-time veteran skating for his daughter Amanda, number 62, Kate Kelleher. Also skating for Amanda Kelleher, number 12, Jack Kelleher, and also Jake Kelleher. Skating for Daniel, number 8, Jim Kinsler. Skating for his nephew, number 3, Brian Malloy. Excited for this dream opportunity to play with the Bruins alumni while supporting a great cause. He's the goaltender, number 29, Steven Lucy. A veteran player and uncle of Marie Gadwa, number 15, Rob Maloney. He's a doctor at UMass Memorial Medical Center, and he continues to be a huge champion for people with Down syndrome, number 99, Dr. Errol Mortimer. Skating for her close friend Anne-Marie, who has special needs. Anne-Marie helps others appreciate the little things in life. It's number 10, Jacqueline O'Brien. Skating for his younger sister, Hallie, and he's grateful to MDSC and all it has done and continues to offer his little sister those like her, number 13, Declan Butchie. Skating for his good friend, Marie Gadwa, number 98, Jamie Shepard. And finally, skating for his son Joshua, number 11, Eric Sepper. And now let's meet the Boston Bruins alumni.